once more they would pass behind the moon. And on the next revolution, John Young...
Yo, Darius BRITT here, and we're about to get into how to edit videos on your smartphone. And yes, it is very possible to edit a small short film or an entire YouTube video on your phone. Many people have done it, many still do it. A few reasons why you might want to use your phone. 1. Maybe you don't have a Mac or a PC. 2. You have a Mac or a PC, but it can't handle an editing application. 3. You edit on your computer, but you also want the capability to edit short form content from your phone on the go. 4. You're just starting YouTube and you want to edit your content without having to learn a full-fledged editing application. 5. You're a kid with a phone and a dream and nothing else. If you're out and about shooting stuff with your phone, there are a ton of editing applications out there you can use to edit your footage. We're going to take a look at 3 of them. Disclaimer: this video is not sponsored by either of these companies. I'm being 100% honest with you guys. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at PowerDirector first. You can get all of these apps from the App Store. As soon as you fire up the app, you can pick a new project, select the aspect ratio, name the project, and right away you can start pulling media from your phone into the timeline. Find a clip that you want to use, hit the plus button, and boom! It's in the timeline. You can also preview the clip before you add it. Trimming is pretty simple. You can just click the edges of the clip and drag it inwards. We can also add titles. You can also add stickers, like this camera frame overlay here. I don't know why that's in stickers. It looks like more of an overlay to me, but whatever. You can add filters. I'm gonna try the sepia here out. Well, there is such a thing as too much sepia. I think this qualifies. You can add music by downloading or wherever you've got it stored in your phone.
This is music, fool. This is music, fool. This is music, fool.
That song is so dope. You can create transitions by hitting the cut points. Pick what you want, plenty of options. You can even choose the duration of the transition. Voice recording is also an option for voiceover work, should you need it.
Booyah, 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 chip, chip. Booyah, 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 chip, chip.
Let's go ahead and throw some ending credits on it. When you're all done, hit produce video. In order to render in full HD without watermarks, you've got to upgrade to a pro version, which is like $6. Next up, we've got VideoShow. This one's also free to download. Once you open up the app, hit edit to get started. Select video and pick what clips you want to use. You can also change the order by holding and dragging the clips. The screen for this app doesn't turn, unfortunately. I'm not super big on that. Once you're on the main timeline, you can choose themes. Yeah. Be sure to set your resolution to widescreen. You can actually trim clips under the duration tab and rotate the image if need be. You can also copy clips. They have a speed increase feature in this app. Once you select the speed, you've got to wait for it to transcode. Takes a few seconds. In the music tab, you can add music.
This is music, fool. This is music, fool.
Under edit, you can also add titles. You can add different transitions. They've got different filters you can throw on there. You can also throw effects on there as well, like this lightning strike here. Booyah! Cause it's so electric. No takers. Oh, and you can draw stuff. You can throw stickers on there. I'm not big on these stickers personally, but again, if that's you, you do your thing. When you're all done, hit save or share and booyah. In order to export full HD without watermarks, you gotta upgrade to the pro version. It's like $3 or $4 a year. Last one we're looking at is WeVideo. First, you title the new project. You can also title the very first slide. Hit the plus button to add video clips. So you can add a theme if you want. I usually don't, as they're pretty over the top, but it's an option. Of course, you can add music.
This is music, fool.
Song is so dope. You can also do voiceover and record the VO over your clips.
Chip, chip, chip.
I didn't see any transition effects. Maybe I'm looking in all the wrong places, but I don't know. I don't see one in here. The screen rotates in playback mode, but it does not rotate when you're editing. Womp, 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 womp. To get the full HD with no watermarks, you gotta pay $3.99 for the premium version. Of the three apps, PowerDirector feels the closest to a traditional editing application, in my opinion anyways. It's worth mentioning that in all of these applications, you can actually shoot video directly from the app. Again, most editors have watermarks and ads, so to remove them, you gotta pay a few bucks, but let's look at the big picture. It's usually a one-time payment per year. All things considered, that's a lot cheaper than an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription or going out and buying a computer if you don't have one. For all of you iPhone users out there, Imovie works great from what I hear. I have never used it because obviously I own an Android. I've heard lots of good things about Pocket Video, but when I tried it out, the app just kept crashing on me. The big message behind this video is there is absolutely no excuse not to film and edit something, especially when you can do it on your phone if you have to. If you guys have some experience with some other apps that you like or dislike, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I went on ahead and cut together a little something with PowerDirector. Of the three, this one's more my style, so I used that one. Hope you guys enjoy it. Deep Brit out! You know, I really need to shoot that how to edit on your cell phone video today, but I don't feel like it. I'm kind of tired, so I'm gonna just go to the store first, because really, I'm just procrastinating. Too hot today. Oh, man. Guys, I can't shoot this video yet. Look at my car. Much better. Hello, can I get your sourdough jack?
Sourdough jack?
No, just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything else?
That's it.
Okay, I'll have your total to what is waiting.
Thank you. I'm hungry. How could something so good be so bad for you? I should get up. I should get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Let's do it. Let's record it. Let's do it. Booyah!
Place when I fight for the first place prize, no appeal for the work, man. Happy do the drill, happy technique, right? We know the skill. May I hear about Shella, man, they are Coachella. Tell a little fellow, say bill. Tell a man, level to the thing like how will I tell a band, secondly ready.